Guess what came in the mail? What's up, everybody? It's Chester here with Hi Ho Adventures. I just want to give you guys my opinion on Disneyland's Magic Key program. Now, this video isn't about the details of the Magic Key, but purely just my opinions and what I truly think about the Magic Key. Magic Key, as of right now, a lot of what I'm hearing is a lot of Magic Key holders are pretty upset with this program, and rightly so, because we're paying so much upfront and we want to get into the park as at any time, literally. But with certain circumstances, I totally understand the business side of Disneyland and Disney World, why they're doing this, how they can better manage their systems and their processes better by knowing how many people will be entering their parks at any given time. Now, with any new program, there will be a lot of positive reviews and a lot of negative reviews, and so far, ever since the rollout of the Magic Key program, I've been noticing a little bit more negative reviews. Now, this doesn't really impact Katie and I because we do have to plan out everything in order for us to make a trip out to Disneyland since we do live out of state. One of the major negative reviews that I've been hearing is the reservation system not allowing more of the Southern California residents to just pop in at any time. And I totally get that. But for our sake, for Katie and I, it doesn't really impact us because we do have to plan out our trips. We have to worry about our dogs, book rooms when we do drive out there. Going out to Disney World, it really helped us to understand the reservation system and be a little bit more comfortable with that program. Whereas, this is completely brand new to Disneyland and it's quite foreign. All in all, we're incredibly happy with the Magic Key program. Like I said, with any new program, Disney will do a lot of surveys and gather opinions to make the program better. So this isn't just set in stone. They have already made some adjustments to, open up the reservation system. The Magic Key program has really allowed Katie and I to take 10 steps back and not really jam pack our schedules to do everything and eat everything and so on and so forth. It allowed us to really relax ourselves and enjoy the ambiance of what Disneyland and California Adventure has to offer. With that being said, I can probably safely say that Disneyland will continuously improve this program over time once they get more data, once they hear more feedback, stuff like that. But right now, Katie and I we're thoroughly enjoying the Magic Key program. But I digress on my opinion about the Magic Key. I want to go ahead and open this up. This is a little welcome package for if you signed up for the Magic Key program. I think this goes up until October 31st or something like that. If you sign up for the Magic Key up until then, you will receive one of these. The strange thing was there wasn't a pre-notice or notification that, hey, yeah, we're receiving this. It just showed up. So let's open it up. All right, without further ado, let's open this up. All right, first up is this little pen. Looks actually really nice. All right, look at this little button. I'm not too sure about this button. There's a lot of empty space where I wish they, it looks like, I don't know, it just looks really empty to me. Nice little lanyard. Just says Disneyland Magic Key. A little movie insider code. All right. And we have a Disneyland Magic Key map, which is kind of nice. I just don't like all the creases on my posters and stuff. Let's see. And I got a little girl. And it looks like a little magnet. Yeah, it is a little magnet. A little Magic Key magnet. And that's about it. That's it. Well, there you have it. That was an unboxing of the Magic Key welcome package. And if you guys have any opinions about the Magic Key program, please leave it in the comments below. Other than that, peace out, everyone. Man, what the heck? Getting weak.